Faceless YouTube channel is a channel where you can express, send out your message, tell your stories through voiceover, slideshow, animation, creating and engaging content without showing your face. And there are countless ideas you can use as niche when it comes to creating your own faceless YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. These are steps to take when creating a faceless YouTube channel, and number one is define your niche and target audience. Firstly, if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, you are going to be needing an idea and people you are targeting. It could be educational videos, fun animations, life hack, trending topics with voiceover, and you could also create your own unique ideas. So number two on my list is develop a unique brand identity, like your logos, your colors, your schemes, your tones, creating and engaging thumbnails and titles. And I always advise to make your titles to be short, simple and sweet. So number three on my list is investing in good equipment, like your microphone, your softwares, your tripod, your lighting. Like these basic equipment you need in creating your own faceless YouTube channels, and you can as well do without this if you're a beginner and invest in it later. So number four step to take when creating a faceless YouTube channel is content creation strategies. There are so many strategies you can use, like focusing on storytelling with narrative techniques, using of fun animation, graphic and visuals to enhance your video, using of AI to generate your voiceover, and so many other techniques, and also optimizing your video for accessibility and SEO. So now that your channel is ready, what you have to do next is to encourage your audience to participate through commenting, liking, sharing your videos. You can as well host a live or a Q&A session through voiceover or text to speech. You can also collaborate with other channels or creators. So what are the benefits of faceless YouTube channels? Number one is privacy. You have your privacy all to yourself. You can create your content at your own space without thinking what your neighbor will say, what your this will say, what this person will say, what this one will say. You can create your content at peace and still make your own money. So number two is that it reduces pressure and increases comfort. Your confidence is 101%, like you are full of yourself. Nobody knows you, and you will still be making your money. So another benefit of faceless YouTube channel is that you manage your self-doubt, and finally you create your own creative freedom and flexibility. So that is it, guys. Please like, share, comment, and watch out for the next video, because I'll be sharing some ideas that you use as niche if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel. Bye.